And how are you all? I hope everyone safe and healthy. Take Math Magic book. Take chapter 5, page number 52. The way the world looks. The way the world looks. Today we are going to see about different views of objects. Let's see children. There are 4 views. There are 4 views. Let's see one by one. What are they? Top view, front view, side view, back view. Let's see one by one. What are the views? Top view, front view, side view, back view. Let's see children one by one with examples. This is toy. We will see the objects from different angles, isn't it? Yes. We will see the objects in the different angles. The view of an object from top is called top view. There are 4 types of view. First one is top view. The view of an object from the top is called top view. This is the top of the, this is top view of this toy, isn't it? Then, and the view of an object from the side. From the side is called side view. This is the side view of this toy. This is the side view of this toy. Then, likewise, the view of an object from front is called front view. It's called front view. The view of an object from front, it is called front view. And this is the front view of this toy. Then the view of an object from back. The view of the object from back is called back view. Is called back view. This is the back view of the toy. This is the back view of the toy. This, what is this? Yes, if you see this, if you see any one object, you identify one object, no? If you see this board, if you think as this is car, yes. The view of an object, yes, side view. This is car. Then this is front view of the car. Front view of the car. Then this is top view of the car. This is the top view of the car. This is staircase, no? Padikettu solla staircase. This is front view of the staircase. Front view of the staircase. In same staircase, different. Yes, no? Yes, this is side view of the staircase. This is the what view of this chair? This is side view of the chair. What is this? Can you identify this one? Yes, this is pencil. This is what type of view? If you see this pencil, this is look like a bus. This is side view of the bus. Then this is, can you identify what object this is? This is top view of the object. Top view of the table. Can you see this table? This is the top view of the table. What is this? This is toy. This is the front view of this toy. This is the side view of this toy. This is the back view of this toy. This is the top view of this toy. Now understood the different types of views? Yes.